Hello everybody. In this video I will show to you how to configure the PyDEV to run on our Eclipse, as I already have said in other videos that we will try to do our all integration, but a couple of days ago I found the way to put Flake H integrated with Eclipse. So I will show right now. It's very simple and easy to put it to work in here. So window preference, we'll click here at PyDEV, extended tree, and here we have the editor. Let me drag here and also here. Now we have to find the PEP interpreters, task keys, interaction console, code style, code analysis. Here we have Flake H option, and what I did was to point to my installed, okay, and use Flake H and redirect output to console. And also we can do something like this. Here are another things we can also configure as we need and desire to have working. So this is the way we can put everything to work as we like. Okay? Very simple, and no problems to make it work fine. So just to see how it works, for example here, here Flake H integrated is already show to us the problems we are facing according to PyDEV. Okay. If we do this, here is fixed to us, and that is all we have to do. Simple and works fine, and avoiding to code wrong and after have to stay running the Flake and come back to fix the code. You will working and will be prompted over all errors according to PyDEV patterns, rules. Bye bye. Hope it help you and be more productive. Thank you.